Hey everybody, it's Justin here. Last night I went and saw Thor: The Dark World, or Thor 2, and I must say that I enjoyed it more than Iron Man 3 and the first Thor. Thor: The Dark World is about an enemy that even Odin and Asgard can't withstand, and Thor must embark on a journey alongside Jane Foster and Loki to help save the world and the Nine Realms. There were a few problems with this film and some great things. It wasn't the best superhero film. I'm going to go ahead and say the things I disliked first. To me, some scenes really felt like Star Wars. I'm not going to spoil this. It's not a spoiler review, but there was a few scenes that did really kind of feel like Star Wars. The ships that they were using, the fight scenes, and a few other scenes that kind of towards the end made me feel like it was Star Wars. In this one, they had ships in Asgard, and the enemy ships, they were firing missiles and stuff at each other, and the way that the sounds were and the ship's movements, it kind of felt like Star Wars. So I was like, that's Star Wars to me, but I enjoyed it. Another thing was the end. The transportation and everything between the Nine Realms kind of was overused a lot. And I know that this movie focused more on the Nine Realms, but the way that they went about it at the end with the fight scene with the villain and Thor kind of felt like it was overused at times. The villain and his like minions or his side people, they had like these masks, and it really felt cheap. There was a scene where they were fighting Loki, and they just felt so fake, like it was like a straight from a Halloween store. So that was kind of like, they're not that great looking. But the villain, though, he looked great. What I did like about the movie is when they introduced Thor in the beginning of the movie, they didn't show like what has he been up to since Avengers. They didn't show what he's been doing. They jumped right into what he's doing now. The one thing I loved about the movie the most was Loki. Didn't care for Loki in the first movie. Was kind of like iffy on him being in Avengers, but I really did love him in this movie, and he was absolutely hilarious in this movie. I knew that they did some reshooting and they brought Loki back into more scenes, and it does really feel like a lot of fans love Loki more than Thor. Tom Hiddleston does a great job as Loki, and you know, it's hard to get a grasp on Loki in this movie. You think is he good? Is he bad? Is he going back to good? Is he going back to bad? What is he gonna do? So you know that in the trailers he joins Thor on this journey, but you're thinking, is he gonna betray him? What's gonna go on? And you're kind of like, you can't see some things coming. So that's kind of cool. The fight scenes were great. The villain looked cool. The plot was decent. It was a decent Marvel addition to the Phase 2, a lot better than Iron Man 3, and a lot better than Thor. The first one, there was a lot more action in this one, a lot more humor. You know, it brings back Natalie Portman as in it well. There was a few scenes where she had displayed some bad acting. I mean, I can't act, but what am I saying? But there was a few scenes where she was kind of like just overplayed it a lot. But she was decent. Chris Hemsworth was good, and Loki, Tom Hiddleston was good. So overall, the movie was really great. I really enjoyed it. Great action, humor, awesome cameo in there. That made everybody in the theater laugh. I laughed, and I was pleased with that. And then the two end scenes, there were one hinted at a new movie that's coming up soon, and the end, which is like a funny skit thing that they did. Hopefully they'll make a third one. One thing also I wish they would have played up on is maybe more of Sif and Jane. I kind of felt like from the previews that there was going to be like a love triangle, the way that Sif looked at Jane. I thought they were going to do some more with that stuff, but they didn't. Whatever. So there's my review for Thor: The Dark World, which came out today. Comment down below and tell me what you thought about this movie. I'm not quite sure how to figure out how to respond to people's things now with Google+. If someone wants to help me out, I greatly appreciate it. I don't want to look at tutorials. Someone just tell me. So, this is Just Watching Movies. Please remember to subscribe, comment. Oh, and one last thing. Next Saturday, the 16th of November, will mark my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. I will be doing a special that day where I'll displaying my whole Blu-ray collection, talking about all my Blu-rays and some other things. So look out for that. It will be a great day. November 16th next week. Look out for that. This is Just Watching Movies. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and I'll see you later. Bye.